In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add credit card payment gateway for WordPress WooCommerce. We'll start right from the official source so everything is secure and compatible. Open the WooCommerce plugin page on WordPress.com. This is the central hub where you can install WooCommerce on your WordPress site and get the tools you need to accept credit card payments safely. From there, head into the marketplace. This helps you confirm you're viewing the official listing and not a lookalike. Use the search bar and type WooCommerce so the correct plugin is highlighted. When you see it, check that it's published by Automatic, the company behind WordPress.com. Clicking the developer name is a quick way to verify authenticity and read more about who maintains the plugin. Before installing, open the Installation tab. Skim the steps so you know what will happen during setup on WordPress.com. Next, review the changelog to see recent updates and make sure your WordPress and PHP versions meet the requirements. Then, open the FAQs. This is where you'll find details about what WooCommerce supports out of the box, including credit card processing through its onboarding, regional availability, and links to documentation if you need advanced payment configurations. When you're comfortable, click Get Started. This begins the guided setup flow for WooCommerce. Follow the prompt that appears to continue. You'll be walked through creating or connecting a site. If you already own a domain, choose the option that says you already have one. Enter your domain in the field provided, then continue. WordPress.com will connect your domain and prepare your site for WooCommerce. Once the site is ready and you land in the editor or dashboard, follow the on-screen prompts. WooCommerce will present a setup checklist that includes payments. This is where you'll be able to enable credit card acceptance through WooCommerce's built-in onboarding. You'll typically be asked to provide business details, verify your account, and choose test or live mode. A quick tip: make sure your site uses HTTPS with a valid SSL certificate because live card payments require it. When everything looks good, click Launch to publish your site. Launching ensures your store and payment settings can go live. After launch, double-check your payment settings from the WooCommerce dashboard, confirm your business information is verified, and, if needed, switch from test mode to live mode to start accepting real transactions. That's it. You've navigated the official WooCommerce plugin page, validated the details, started the guided setup, connected your domain, and launched your store so you can accept credit card payments confidently and securely.